If you're thinking of purchasing an electric bike, you're probably wondering what to look for. You're probably confused by the vast array of models. So what makes a great e-bike? You'll want one that can deliver power, range, and a comfortable ride. In this video, we'll look at the different factors that affect these attributes. Here is a great unit on Amazon you should consider. This unit comes with various features, so make sure to read the reviews to see if it fits your needs.
I love this little bike. It's so light to carry. Fits in the back of my Prius. I'm not going to say how much I weigh, but it goes pretty darn fast for my size. I had a little clicking in the front wheel, but the seller advised me on how to fix it. Easy fix. I did buy the extended warranty on it. I hope I don't have to use it. I really like this little bike. My husband decided he wants one now. He will have to wait till they are back in stock. Fun little bike. Kids love it. This is the coolest purchase I have ever made. 100000/10 would recommend to anyone that wants to have endless fun. Click the link in description for more reviews.